Hello, this is Sriman and welcome to Genius Math Minds. In this video, we will see about trigonometric quadrants and triangle. So first we will see the quadrant system in trigonometry, then we will see conversion of trig angles using triangle. So first, a quadrant. So this is just a basic quadrant, that is Cartesian quadrant. But if you want to convert this Cartesian quadrant into a trigonometry or angle quadrant, then x represents the cos theta and y represents sin theta. So this will be useful because the signs of this will be coming from this. So first, in this quadrant, let's take any number. So both will be positive and positive. In this quadrant, both x and y will be positive, which means both cos theta and sin theta will be positive. Now if we come here, we have negative and positive. So cos theta will be negative and sin theta will be positive. Here both will be negative. So cos theta and sin theta will both be negative. Here positive and negative. So cos theta will be positive and sin theta will be negative. So from this we can actually get all the signs of other angles too. So here cos theta, sin theta, since tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, tan theta is also positive. So in this quadrant, all the angles are positive. If we come here, again tan theta is sin theta, that is positive by negative. So we will get negative. So here only sin theta and its complementary, that is cosecant theta. These two are the positives here. Now if we come here, tan theta is again negative by negative, so positive. So in this quadrant, tan theta and its complementary cot theta are positive. All other angles are negative. Again if we come here, again tan theta is negative by positive, which gives negative. So here only cos theta and its complementary secant theta, these two are the only positives here. So all others are negative. That's where all students take chocolate. So this is why this comes. So here all angles are positive. Here sin and its complementary cosecant are positive. Here for t, tan and cot are positive. For c, cos and secant are positive. So this is how the signs of the angles come from. So this is about the quadrant systems. For example, let's take something like sine of 135 degree. Sine 135 degree lies between 90 and 180, which means this will be positive. Let's take tan 235 degree. Tan 235 degree will be in third quadrant, where tan is the only positive. So this will be positive here. Now for any angles between 0 degree to 90 degree, all the angles will be positive from this quadrant. For example, let's take secant of 300 degree. Secant 300 degree, that is 300 degree, lies in fourth quadrant. Here cos and secant are positive, so this will be positive. So that's why this quadrant system is important. Now let's go to the conversion of trig angles. So we will convert trig angles using the triangle method. So let's say we have sin theta is root 3 by 4. Let's say this is what the given answer is, what the given question is, and we need to find cos theta and tan theta, and this is the only information we have. So what we can do is we can draw a triangle, and this will be theta. We know sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite here is opposite of this angle, which is root 3, hypotenuse, which is 4. Now we can use the Pythagoras theorem, that is 4 square equals root 3 square plus x square. So we'll take this side as x. 16 equals 3 plus x square. 16 minus 3 equals x square, and x equals root 30. So the value of the adjacent side in this triangle is root 30. So from this we can say cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is root 13. Hypotenuse is 4, and this is the value of cos theta. For tan theta it is opposite by adjacent, so root 3 by root 13. Now for the symbols, if the theta angle, as we saw earlier, if the theta angle is 0 degree to 90 degree, or for cos theta it is 270 degree to 360 degree, it will be positive. For all other angles, cos theta will be negative. So this can be positive or negative depending on the angle here. Same thing for tan theta. For tan theta 0 degree to 90 degree, if the theta is 0 degree to 90 degree, it will be positive. Also, if it is 180 degree to 270 degree, it will be positive. For all other angles, it will be negative. And that's why trigonometry triangle and trigonometry quadrants are important. Now we will see finally one more question from this. So let's say we have a question where cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2 and theta is between 90 degree to 180 degree. So in this cos theta is negative, so we will have question. So cos theta is minus 1 by root 2. From this we need to find what cot theta is. So first we will draw the trig triangle. So theta, from here it is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent by hypotenuse. We need not take this negative sign here because that is because of the value of angle. So we will just take the 1 and root 2 and leave the negative sign. So from this again we use Pythagoras theorem. Root 2 square, let's take this as x, equals 1 square plus x square. 2 equals 1 plus x square. X equals 1. So the value of x is 1. So from this cot theta is not hypotenuse, it is adjacent by opposite, because tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So this is the reciprocal. So now adjacent here is 1. Adjacent here is 1, opposite is 1. So the answer is 1. But we need to take in consideration of the angle because it is specifically given. Now this is 90, this is 180. In this, sine and cosecant are the positives. But here we have cot theta, so it will be negative. So cot theta is negative 1. And that is the answer for this. And that's it about quadrants and trigonometry triangles. Thank you.